Hey there, future entrepreneurs and savvy investors. As the legendary Warren Buffett wisely said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Ever dreamt of making money while you sleep? Well, you're in the right place because in today's video, we're unveiling the secrets to financial freedom. Imagine a life where your bank account grows while you're enjoying your morning coffee or exploring the world. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. Today, we're diving deep into the world of passive income. And guess what? We're not just talking about any passive income. We're talking about 10 cutting-edge, futuristic, and incredibly smart passive income ideas. Get ready to turn your dreams into dollars because the future of financial success starts right here, right now. Don't just watch. Start your journey to financial independence with us today. Welcome to Filthy Rich, where we bridge the gap between wealth and wisdom. Now, let's explore our first passive income idea: dropshipping and e-commerce. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't need to keep products in stock. Instead, you partner with suppliers who directly ship products to customers on your behalf. E-commerce, on the other hand, involves creating and managing your online store. To make dropshipping work, you select niche products, create an online store, and market those products to your audience. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly, and you earn a profit from the price difference. This model eliminates the need for inventory management and allows you to focus on marketing and customer service. E-commerce, whether through dropshipping or stocking your own inventory, can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce provide you with tools to create and manage your online store easily. By identifying trending products, implementing effective marketing strategies, and providing exceptional customer experiences, you can develop a consistent income stream. The key to success in dropshipping and e-commerce is finding the right products and establishing a reliable online presence. With dedication and persistence, you can transform your e-commerce venture into a profitable source of passive income, helping you achieve your financial goals. Now, let's explore our second passive income idea: dividend investing. It's all about growing your wealth by investing in dividend-paying stocks or funds. Dividend investing is like having your money work for you, and here's how it works. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you become a shareholder in the company, and in return, you receive a portion of the company's profits, paid out regularly as dividends. These dividends provide a steady stream of income without you having to actively manage the investment. Plus, the power of compounding means your investments can grow significantly over time. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, dividend investing can be a reliable way to generate passive income and build wealth. It's a tried-and-true strategy that can offer financial security. Moving on to our third passive income idea, we have real estate investments. Real estate has long been a favorite among investors, and it remains a solid choice for generating passive income. When you invest in real estate, you're essentially investing in physical properties, and there are various ways to do this. One popular option is acquiring rental properties. Owning rental properties can provide you with a consistent stream of rental income, and if you choose the right location and manage your properties effectively, you can also benefit from potential property value appreciation over time. The idea is to have your properties generate income for you, whether it's residential units, commercial spaces, or vacation rentals. Another avenue in real estate investing is through real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are essentially companies that own or finance income-producing real estate in various sectors, such as apartments, office buildings, or shopping centers. By investing in REITs, you can benefit from dividend payments and potential capital gains, all without the responsibility of managing individual properties. Real estate is often seen as a long-term investment, and it may require substantial initial capital, but it's a time-tested method for generating passive income. It's all about smart property selection and management, and with careful planning, real estate investments can provide you with a steady stream of income for years to come. Our fourth idea for passive income revolves around the creation and sale of online courses and ebooks. In the digital age, knowledge is a valuable commodity, and many people are willing to pay for valuable insights and expertise. The idea behind this income source is to leverage your expertise, skills, or passions to create valuable educational content. One avenue is to create online courses. If you're an expert in a specific field, skilled in a particular craft, or passionate about a particular subject, you can transform that knowledge into a profitable online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera offer you the opportunity to create and sell courses on virtually any topic you can imagine. Once your course is live, it can be accessed by countless students worldwide. And the best part? You earn money every time a student enrolls. Ebooks are another great option. If you have a flair for writing or an in-depth understanding of a niche subject, you can publish ebooks and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle. Once your ebooks are available for purchase, readers can buy and download them, generating passive income. Your books remain accessible for purchase indefinitely, meaning your income isn't limited by time or location. Both online courses and ebooks are fantastic sources of passive income because they allow you to earn from your knowledge and expertise continuously. It might take effort to create your content initially, but the rewards can be substantial, and you can continue to earn money long after the work is done. Let's move on to our fifth passive income idea, which involves peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have revolutionized the way people borrow and invest money. This concept brings individuals seeking loans together with those willing to lend money. As an investor in this space, you can lend your funds to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on the loans you provide. Peer-to-peer lending platforms typically allow you to diversify your investments across a range of loans to spread risk. They also often have mechanisms in place to handle loan defaults, further mitigating potential losses. The interest rates you earn can be notably higher than those from traditional savings accounts or CDs, making it an attractive avenue for generating passive income. While there is some level of risk associated with peer-to-peer lending, with careful selection of borrowers and prudent diversification, you can create a reliable income stream. It's an investment strategy that allows you to earn money from your capital while assisting others in achieving their financial goals. Now let's delve into our sixth passive income idea: rental passive income. Rental properties, whether residential or commercial, have long been a classic source of passive income. When you own a property, you can generate revenue by renting it out to tenants or businesses. For residential properties, you can become a landlord and rent out apartments, houses, or vacation homes. The rental income you receive can provide a consistent stream of passive income, making it a dependable choice for long-term wealth building. With the right location and property management, you can enjoy high occupancy rates and reliable rental income. On the commercial side, investing in commercial real estate properties like office buildings or retail spaces can offer lucrative opportunities. Businesses often seek space to operate, and by becoming a commercial property owner, you can benefit from long-term lease agreements that provide steady passive income. While being a landlord or commercial property owner involves responsibilities like maintenance and tenant management, the rewards can be significant. It's an avenue to grow your wealth and secure financial independence through rental passive income. Moving on to our seventh passive income idea: affiliate marketing. This concept revolves around promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale generated through your affiliate links. It's a popular choice among online marketers and content creators because it allows you to monetize your platform or website seamlessly. Affiliate marketing can take various forms, from promoting products through blog posts, social media, or YouTube, to including affiliate links in email newsletters or reviews. The key is to align your affiliate marketing efforts with your niche or the interests of your audience. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require you to handle inventory, customer service, or product development. Instead, you leverage your online presence and audience to drive sales for other companies, earning commissions in return. By selecting the right affiliate programs and creating compelling content, you can establish a continuous source of passive income. It's all about building trust with your audience and providing valuable recommendations that convert into sales. Eighth passive income idea on our list is YouTube automation. In the digital age, YouTube has become a goldmine for those who know how to harness its power. And the best part? You don't need to be in front of the camera to make it work for you. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world and continues to grow in popularity. By creating a channel centered around your passions, expertise, or interests, you can build a dedicated audience. With YouTube automation, you can create a channel that runs on autopilot, generating revenue even while you sleep. How? By curating content or creating videos with evergreen value. Think of it like building an online library of videos that continue to attract viewers long after they're posted. Your revenue streams? They come from ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. These income channels work together to create a substantial passive income over time. YouTube automation isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and the right strategy, it can become a significant source of passive income. If you're willing to put in the effort up front, the rewards can be substantial. So, why not start your journey to financial independence today by exploring YouTube automation? The key to building a successful YouTube channel is consistent, high-quality content that resonates with your viewers. By focusing on a niche or subject you're passionate about, you can establish yourself as a credible source of information and entertainment. With dedication and a well-thought-out content strategy, your YouTube channel can become a prominent source of passive income while sharing your knowledge and creativity with the world. Now, let's dive into our 9th passive income idea: mobile apps and games. In today's digital age, mobile apps have become a part of everyday life. You can harness this trend by developing and monetizing your own mobile applications or games. Creating a mobile app or game that resonates with a broad audience can lead to substantial revenue through downloads, in-app purchases, and ads. Monetization strategies include offering premium versions of your app, providing in-app purchases for additional features, or displaying ads to generate income. The beauty of this idea is that once your app is live on the app stores, it can continue to generate income for years to come, even as you work on new projects. To succeed in this space, you need a great app or game idea, knowledge of app development, and effective marketing to reach your target audience. Mobile apps and games offer a creative path to passive income, and with the right combination of talent and market insight, your work can provide consistent returns. Last but not least, we arrive at our 10th passive income idea: cryptocurrency staking. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a potential source of passive income through a process called staking. Staking involves holding a certain amount of a cryptocurrency in a digital wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot offer staking opportunities, allowing you to earn rewards in the form of more cryptocurrency. Staking helps secure and validate blockchain transactions, and in return, you receive a portion of the network's transaction fees or newly created tokens. It's a way to passively grow your cryptocurrency holdings while contributing to the functioning of these networks. To get started, you'll need to research and select a cryptocurrency that supports staking, create a digital wallet, and allocate your chosen cryptocurrency to the staking pool. The returns on staking can vary depending on the cryptocurrency, the network, and the duration of your commitment. While it carries some risks, it's a way to participate in the growing world of blockchain technology while potentially earning a passive income in the form of cryptocurrency. So there you have it, 10 incredible paths to making money while you sleep. Which one resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments. The future is yours to shape, and financial freedom is within your reach. Choose your adventure, take the first step, and watch your passive income grow. Thanks for joining us, and remember, the journey to financial independence starts now. Don't just watch, make it happen, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.